Okay, so let me take you on a wild ride through British Columbia, where honestly, something kind of epic is happening. Imagine forests, mountains, and hidden treasures right under your feet. Not kidding. Mineral explorers out here, they roll with next-level science stuff, and their tech game is strong. Vancouver's pretty much the HQ for all this bling hunt. So picture this. Teams heading out, scooping up dirt for what they call soil geochemistry analysis, which sounds super sciencey, but it's literally checking what's in the ground to find secret stashes of copper, silver, or gold. Like 60% of shiny new discoveries come from these sneaky soil checks. And get this, sometimes the dirt screams jackpot, with numbers like 798.5 ppm copper or 21,152 ppb silver. When these numbers pop, geologists get all hyped and plan the next big drill, because every clue counts, and nobody's got time or money to waste. Now, cue the suspense. There's another layer. Massive sulfide mineralization. Sounds intense, and it kinda is. Picture finding huge clumps packed with copper, zinc, and all that jazz. At spots like Russian Ranger, they're hitting these super rich zones, and they double check it all with pocket-sized X-ray thingamajigs, XRFs, that go, yup, that's the good stuff. All these samples get sent to these fancy ISO labs. Think multiple acid baths, lasers, white coats, the works. So every reading is totally on point, no faking it. Give it up for their strict QA, QC rules too. They triple check everything, so investors and regulators don't freak out. Oh, and let's talk tech. GIS platforms are basically Google Maps on steroids for miners, layering maps, drill data, borders, and even ecozones. So you see the full picture and know exactly where to dig. This superpower, not just for mining, it's a game changer in farming, theorists, and real estate too. And that's where we, Farmonaut, come in. Yep, that's us. While we're not exactly gold diggers, we're syncing up agri-tech with satellite eyes, AI brains, and even blockchain, so both farmers and mineral geeks can get instant, honest data to drive smarter decisions. Whether it's tracking your field's health or validating mineral finds, our mission is the same. Bring clarity and next-level transparency to everyone, from small-town growers to billion-dollar operations. So yeah, British Columbia's out here turning dirt into dreams. And with all this innovation and teamwork, the story's only just getting started. Stick around. Something amazing could be right under your feet.